start by asking you to quickly introduce yourself and your role at Alltype, please.
Yep, so my name's Brent McMeikan. I'm the operations manager at Alltype Engineering. I've been here about close to 5 years now. Started out as a project manager, went through to senior PM, and about a year ago was appointed the ops manager. So
hopefully easy questions to answer.
yeah.
So the first one is, so if time is money in the construction industry, could you provide examples of how quantum services have saved you time, either if it's within your projects, I know you're not part of the negotiation part of it, but any aspect of time saving you could comment on?
Yeah, so some notes that I made just in general. So like as well as contract reviews at the tender stage, QCS provides project assistance with the preparation of NODs and EOTs, as well as assessing things like variation entitlement, the NODs and EOTs in particular is a big help to the project. Getting all the correct references right, requesting you of course come to us for the details, the particulars, which then get put into the letters, but that's definitely a help. And then the prompts to follow up as well, which are really helpful.
Yes.
Yeah, with time bars and response times and stuff like that. So that for me in project is probably the biggest time saving that I can see, as well as, it allows the project management team to focus on, delivery. Of course, we're always conscious of administering the contract, but I suppose there's a level of comfort that QCS are in the background, keeping an eye on those sort of, the time bars and whatnot as well. So that's that for me has been a big help over the last, I think we've been using you guys for close to 2 or 3 years now, and it's probably ramped up a little bit from where we started, especially probably contract reviews. There's some bigger contracts and obviously higher commercial values that are being reviewed now compared to 3 or 4 years ago.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Nice to know. And then how do you find the training we offer, good and bad? Do you have any comments there?
So the training's been good. I think some of the topics have been more relevant than others, but that's always going to be the case. Not every business. The one last highlight. But yeah, the guy, like I said, it's depending on people's experience as well. We've got some really experienced people in the team. Some guys just starting out on their project management careers. So it's, you're not always going to keep everyone interested, so to speak.
Yeah, no, I agree.
More often than not, I think we've got some good value out of those training sessions.
Okay, great. And then last question. So if you would like to refer us, what would you tell any of your friends or colleagues why use quantum?
Yeah, so like I said before, and definitely for businesses that are smaller than Alltype, like we're at that point where, perhaps a commercial manager or someone could be appointed into that role, but definitely for businesses that are smaller than Alltype, that don't have the ability to carry an overhead like that. I think it's a very affordable service that you guys provide to give, businesses that level of comfort that certainly at the tender review you can knock out as many nasties as possible, and then administering the contract correctly throughout the project. So yeah, I have actually mentioned it to a couple of past colleagues of mine that work at other places and got good things to say.
Okay, you are aware of our referral program, right? So there's actually some benefit for you if you do get people signed up with us. Yes. Okay. I'm sure it's $1,000 off your bar tab or your bills or anything. So have a look.
I have to keep that in mind.
Yes. Okay, no, appreciate this. And I hope we get to help you still in the future, although you say you're becoming very big. Okay, no, thanks. Have a great week.